Hydrographic Griff Services Power Washing. Just wanted to show a couple adjustable injectors of different manufacturer types. This is the one I had in a video recently where I removed this portion all the way out and it disassembled. This is what really should happen if it's sliding freely. This entire portion should come off with the bar. When this is not moving freely against the O-ring, the force is greater than the plastic shoulder interference here, and then this portion slides over the barb and it destroys the injector. To a certain extent, it's destroyed. You'll have to go inside here, lube everything up, make sure the O-rings is intact, and ensure every time that you open this up that the shoulder is flush with the plastic housing. This version is somewhat more heavy duty in that the design is all brass, so more than likely this one's probably more expensive. You have the, let's see if I could open the internals there, and that's adjusted all the way out. And now you have the spring and the ball will be on this side here, but you have the spring here to allow for the adjustment. Of course, all the way in will be closed and all the way out will be maximum draw. Just thought I wanted to show the video of the two popular adjustable chemical injectors on the market right now.